Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best longboard wheels for bumpy roads that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Antwheel all-terrain longboard wheels. These wheels are an excellent choice if you're looking for something versatile and durable for bumpy roads. With a large 100mm diameter and a 65mm width, they're designed to handle rough terrain with ease, while the 78A high-rebound urethane ensures you get smooth rides and high speed. These wheels are perfect for off-road cruising, and they can even handle hard-packed dirt and short grass. The design and build quality of the Antwheel wheels are robust but slightly on the heavier side, as each set weighs 2 kilograms. This extra heft might be less ideal for those who prioritize agility, but it adds stability and confidence when riding over uneven surfaces. The wide profile offers excellent grip, while the high-rebound urethane enhances shock absorption for a smoother ride. Performance-wise, these wheels are solid performers for all-terrain use. However, they fall slightly short in their ability to maintain speed on smoother surfaces compared to other options in this list. The price tag of $69.99 places them in the mid-premium range, which is fair given their durable construction and all-terrain capability. Pros include their ability to handle rugged terrain and their solid build quality. Cons are the heavier weight and slightly lower ratings compared to competitors, sitting at 4.0 stars on Amazon. Overall, these are a great option for riders who prioritize durability and off-road versatility. At number 4, we have the Sharkwheel 60mm longboard cruising wheels. These wheels are compact but powerful, with Sharkwheel's signature wave pattern design that helps deflect debris and maintain speed on rough terrain. At 60mm in diameter, these wheels are slightly smaller than the other options on this list, making them ideal for riders who want a lighter setup without compromising performance. The DNA formula polyurethane used in these wheels offers reduced friction, increased durability, and improved off-road performance. They're made in the USA, ensuring high manufacturing standards. The lightweight design, 8 ounces per wheel, makes them compatible with setups where agility is a priority, but they might not offer the same level of shock absorption as larger wheels. In terms of performance, these wheels excel on moderately bumpy roads and urban environments, but they might struggle on extremely rough terrain due to their smaller size. With a price tag of $49.99, they offer solid value for riders looking for a reliable, lightweight option for cruising. Pros include their unique design, high durability, and affordable price. Cons are the limited suitability for extreme off-road conditions and slightly less grip compared to larger wheels. If you're a casual rider looking for a lightweight and stylish upgrade, these are a great choice. Coming in at number 3 are the Bigfoot Longboard Wheels 76mm 80A SHR Mountain Cruisers. These wheels are the budget-friendly option in this roundup, priced at just $24.95. Don't let the price fool you. These wheels pack a punch with their 76mm diameter and 80A super high rebound SHR urethane construction, making them fast, stable, and ideal for downhill cruising. The design features an offset core, which provides excellent grip through turns and corners while maintaining controlled slide characteristics. The translucent red color adds a sleek aesthetic to your setup. While the construction is durable for the price, it's not quite as robust as some higher-end models, which is expected given the lower cost. Performance-wise, these wheels shine in high-speed downhill rides and slaloms, offering great stability and grip. However, they might not absorb bumps as well as softer wheels in this list. With a 4.8-star customer rating, they're highly praised for their value and reliability. Pros include their affordability, high-speed performance, and predictable handling. Cons are the slightly lower shock absorption and durability compared to premium options. If you're on a budget but want dependable wheels for bumpy roads, the Bigfoot mountain cruisers are a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the Shark Wheel 72mm Longboard cruising wheels. These wheels take Shark Wheel's innovative wave design to the next level. With a larger 72mm diameter that boosts performance on rough terrain. The DNA formula polyurethane construction ensures reduced friction, increased durability, and excellent abrasion resistance, perfect for skate parks, rocky roads, or even sandy beaches. The larger profile and unique wave pattern make these wheels fantastic at deflecting debris, keeping your rides smooth and consistent. Built to last, they're made in the USA with premium materials. The translucent emerald color adds a touch of style, while the 78A hardness offers a balance of grip and speed. In terms of performance, these wheels excel in handling bumpy roads and uneven surfaces, offering a smoother ride compared to their 60mm counterparts. Priced at $59.99, they're a solid mid-range option that delivers great value for riders seeking high performance. Pros include their innovative design, versatility, and durability. Cons are the slightly higher price compared to the budget option, and they might be overkill for casual riders. If you want cutting-edge wheels that perform well across all terrains, these are a top pick. Finally, at number 1, we have the MBS all-terrain longboard wheels. These premium wheels are the ultimate choice for bumpy roads, offering unparalleled performance and durability. Measuring 100mm in diameter and 65mm in width, their large size and 78A super high rebound urethane construction make them ideal for riders who demand top-notch quality. The design is sleek and functional, with a deep tread that grips surfaces effectively. Whether you're riding on pavement, dirt, or grass, the bright red color adds a bold aesthetic to your board. Despite their larger size, these wheels are surprisingly lightweight at 16 ounces per wheel, ensuring smooth maneuverability without sacrificing stability. Performance is where the MBS wheels truly shine. They provide a buttery smooth ride on bumpy roads, absorbing shocks and vibrations like a dream. While they're the most expensive option at $89.95, their durability and versatility justify the price for serious riders. Pros include their ability to handle extreme terrain, superior shock absorption, and premium build quality. Cons are the higher price and limited accessibility for casual riders due to their specialized design. If you're looking for the best of the best, the MBS all-terrain wheels are worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.